To me, this is the most important concept of learning the Samoan language, so we're going to make this an easy lesson and it's all going to be in English. So what we're going to do is lead our statement with an action or a description and follow it up with the main subject in English. For example, if I say the sun is bright, what's the main subject? We're talking about the sun. Now, what's the action or the description, otherwise known as an adjective? That would be bright. So we need to lead with the description, bright, and then the subject, which is the sun. Bright the sun. Now let's take it one step further, because actions or verbs also contain a tense, past tense, present tense, or future tense. The tense here is present, so it is bright the sun. Is bright the sun. How about the baby will cry? The complete action with the future tense is will cry. The subject is the baby. Will cry the baby. Okay, one more. The car was green. The complete description or the adjective is was green. Was green the car. All we're doing is leading with our action or description, and just be sure to include the tense in front of it. This exercise may or may not work for you, but it conditions your mind in English to use the tense before the action, followed by your subject, which is a common Samoan word order. The sun is bright. Bright the sun. E susulu le la. Word for word. The car was green. Was green the car. Sa lanu me maka le kaavale. We're in week 2 in our Mato Samoan language Zoom class, never too late. Come on, join us. Or download the app on pacificapages.net. There's a mini course on there.